Hello, I am Nitesh from LabVIEW and Multisim. In this video, I will show you how can we use the waveform graph to display data in Flex Logger. Okay, so let's start today's session. Okay, it is a general entry window of Flex Logger. Means it is when you will launch the Flex Logger, so you will get this window. So now come into the Flex Logger, click on new, come into the new and click on the projects. When you will click on the projects, it will take few seconds and it will take few seconds to configure and to create a project for you. In my PC I had in my PC I have this, I have connected my okay, I have CDEC module 9174 and these three modules are here. CDEC 9174 with the 9213 for voltage, 9213 for temperature, 9215 for voltage and 9232 for vibration and acceleration. So now you can see here my flex logger can easily read that particular hardware. So you can see here it's config, okay, the flex logger has been configured with the hardware. So hardware is 9174 and it is 4 counters minimized. It is temperature module, it is voltage module and it is sound and vibration modules. So here I am going to configure a two channel temperature. So for this two channel temperature I am taking, okay, two channel temperature I am taking, and it will be the temp temperature module two channel temp, okay, two channel. So temp, temp, just a second, temp 1 slash temp 2. Let's see it will work or not. No. Okay. Done, no issue. Let's take a single letter. I will work and I will make a separate video about it. Temp, okay. Temperature is the physical unit temperature and measurement sensor is the thermocouple. Okay, done. And it is temp 2. Okay, it will be a temp 2, temp 1 and temperature thermocouple, right. Done. So now you can see two channel I had created and one channel voltage I am going to take. So for that, double click, it is volt module. uh, Temp sensor will be all. Now here I want to measure the pressure and in terms of voltage, pressure in terms of voltage, yes, pressure I want to measure. Now let's go into the screen. In this screen you can see here, if I will take a numeric indicator, so it will ask me to connect your indicator terminal, with the channel. So temperature I had connected. Now take one more and connect here with the temperature temp unit. Take one more and connect here for the voltage. Okay, so voltage, because I had pressure taken pressure, so it is I am getting on the bar. Now a long history waveform graph, here I am taking long history waveform graph. So waveform graph is here. So now you can see here it is temperature 1, it is temperature 2. Now this waveform graph, using this waveform graph you can show the temperature 1 and temperature 2, temperature 1, temperature 2. It is okay, temperature 1, temperature 2, temperature 1, temperature 2. Also you can show the your voltage value. Your also you can show the bar value, right, bar value. So this voltage, this what can I say, sky color, this sky color signal is for the voltage. When you will touch this sky, now I am going to close it. Okay, sky color temperature, I am going to touch this one. Now you can see it's showing me the bar value. Okay, bar value. When I will click this temperature, so now you can see the temperature, it's coming to the temperature. Okay, and it's coming. So this one is for the temperature and this one is for the bar, it's degree centigrade, it's for temperature properly. You can click it and okay. So here temperature, I can visibly close the temperature, I can visibility close the this temperature, and now you can see only, the bar value. And now in this way you can temperature and also this temperature also. So in this way you can display your data on the waveform sorry on using on the waveform graph using sorry on the flex logger using waveform graph. Now I am going to close this session. In the next session